Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we break down the complex world of finance into easy-to-understand, actionable steps. I'm so glad you're here today, because we're tackling a crucial topic that can help you navigate tough times. How to request mortgage forbearance, a step-by-step guide. Now, did you know that over 8 million American homeowners received mortgage forbearance during the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic? That's a staggering number. And while we're in a different era now, mortgage forbearance is still an essential tool for homeowners facing financial hardships. If you're struggling to make your mortgage payments or foresee difficulties ahead, this video is for you. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. The content here is general and not intended as personalized financial advice. Always consult a professional for specific guidance tailored to your situation. All right, let's get started. In today's video, we'll walk through how to request mortgage forbearance, and I'll break it down into clear, actionable steps so that you know exactly what to do if you ever find yourself in need of it. Step 1. Assess your situation. The first step is to assess your financial situation honestly. Mortgage forbearance is not a free pass on your payments. It's a temporary pause or reduction to help you get back on track. You'll need to confirm that you're facing a financial hardship, such as loss of income, unexpected medical expenses, or other emergencies. Take a moment to write down your current financial situation. What's coming in, what's going out, and where you stand with your mortgage payments. You need to show that you're unable to make your full payment under normal circumstances. Step 2. Contact your loan servicer. Once you've evaluated your finances, the next step is to reach out to your loan servicer, the company that manages your mortgage. This is a key step, so don't hesitate. You'll want to call the number listed on your monthly mortgage statement or look for it on your servicer's website. Now, when you make that call, be prepared. The servicer will want to know why you're requesting forbearance. They may ask for some basic details about your financial situation. It's important to be clear, honest, and concise. It helps to have all your documentation ready, such as pay stubs, bank statements, or anything that proves the hardship you're facing. For example, let's say Emma, a teacher, suddenly faced a medical emergency that put her out of work for a few weeks. She called her servicer, explained her situation, and submitted medical records to support her case. As a result, she was able to secure forbearance for 3 months. Step 3. Understand the terms of forbearance. Once your servicer approves your request, you'll be presented with the terms of your forbearance. These terms vary, so it's crucial to understand what they entail. In most cases, your servicer will allow you to pause your payments or make reduced payments for a set period. However, the deferred payments won't go away. You'll likely need to pay them back at a later date. For example, Noah, a small business owner, was granted 6 months of forbearance, but his servicer extended his repayment period for the deferred payments across a year. Understanding this upfront is key to knowing how it will affect your long-term finances. Step 4. Get everything in writing. Once the terms are finalized, always get everything in writing. The forbearance agreement should outline the details clearly, including how long the forbearance lasts, whether you'll need to repay the missed payments in full after the period ends, or if there's an option to extend the forbearance. Don't skip this step. This is your official record in case of any disputes down the line. Make sure the document includes the exact repayment terms, your servicer's contact info, and any other relevant details. Step 5. Plan for the end of forbearance. The final step is to prepare for when the forbearance period ends. Forbearance doesn't erase your debt, it just postpones it. So, during the forbearance period, it's critical to create a plan for how you will catch up on missed payments. Take a look at your overall financial picture. Will you have enough income to resume full payments when the time comes? Can you negotiate a new repayment plan if needed? This is where your earlier financial assessment will help you make a clear, actionable plan for the months ahead. Let's use an example here. James, a contractor, was granted a forbearance for 4 months. During that time, he worked on increasing his business income. He also set aside a portion of his earnings to cover the back payments when the forbearance ended. When his servicer contacted him about resuming payments, James was ready. Remember, if you can't resume your normal payments after forbearance ends, it's crucial to contact your servicer again. They may offer alternative solutions such as a loan modification, which could extend your payment terms or adjust your monthly payments. In conclusion, mortgage forbearance can be a lifeline if you're facing temporary financial struggles. By following these steps, you can navigate the process smoothly and ensure that you're taking the necessary actions to protect your home and finances. If you're considering mortgage forbearance, make sure you take the time to understand all your options. Everyone's financial situation is different, so finding the right solution is key. Always consult with a financial advisor or mortgage expert to get personalized guidance. What's the first step you'll take if you find yourself needing mortgage forbearance? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching Factful Finance. If you enjoyed this content and you want more actionable, step-by-step financial guides, why not click the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell? You'll never miss out on tips and strategies that can help you make smarter financial decisions. And if you're interested in more topics like this, we think you'll find our next video quite helpful in reaching your financial goals. Keep learning, stay focused, and remember, financial freedom is a journey. And we're here to walk you through it every step of the way.